You're not going to believe this. Google just dropped an AI model that changes everything for faceless YouTube creators. It's called Nano Banana. And no, it's not a smoothie. It's an AI powerhouse that lets you create, edit, and animate your avatar while keeping it perfectly consistent. Before we dive in, join our community. The link's in the description to get the exact prompts I used in this video so you can follow along step by step. Let's start with avatars. Before Nano Banana, apps like Flux Context always messed up my character whenever I changed a detail. The face would shift or proportions would break. Nano Banana completely fixes that. I uploaded my male avatar into Dzine, opened the chat editor, and chose Nano Banana as the model. Then I typed, show him relaxing on a sunny beach, holding his phone in one hand and a strawberry smoothie in the other. In just seconds, it generated multiple consistent versions. Same face, same outfit, perfect lighting and background. Every tiny detail, from the phone reflection to the smoothie cup, looked natural. Next, I wanted to change the setting again, so I typed dot. Show him in a modern black and white coffee shop, sitting at a table with a laptop and a cup of coffee. The result looked straight out of a lifestyle ad. Sleek environment, realistic lighting, and the character stayed identical. Then I added a second male avatar, a friend, and told the AI, have them both drinking coffee together, casual outfits, talking at the table. Nano Banana merged them seamlessly. No broken proportions, no weird blending, just a natural cinematic shot. Now, here's where it gets even better. Nano Banana works with Kling AI's end frame feature to create smooth animations from just 2 still images. You choose a starting and ending frame, and Kling fills in all the in-between movements automatically. No manual keyframes needed. And with Dzine's lip sync tool, your avatars can actually talk. Type your dialogue, pick a voice, and the AI perfectly syncs lip motion and timing. You can even sync 2 characters in a conversation, perfect for storytelling, tutorials, or faceless dialogue scenes.
All right, bro, I'll drop those Nano Banana prompts later.
Nice, I'm joining your community tonight.
Nano Banana also shines in animation. I tested my male avatar in several cinematic styles. A surfer standing on a board, facing the sunset. A traveler walking through a neon-lit city at night. And a hero running across a futuristic rooftop as drones fly overhead. Every version stayed consistent. Same identity, same outfit, no loss of quality. You can also switch creative styles instantly. Cinematic realism for lifelike lighting and depth, anime-inspired look for stylized storytelling, or comic book style for bold, illustrated scenes. Each one adapts perfectly, giving you total control over tone and atmosphere. Ideal for story-driven, faceless videos. Finally, Nano Banana is perfect for thumbnail creation. I prompted, male character holding a glowing golden banana on the beach, surprised expression with text that says, this is insane. The results? Multiple thumbnail-ready images. Strong poses, lighting, and layouts, ready to refine in Photoshop or Canva. It's like having your own AI concept artist who never sleeps. So yeah, Nano Banana is a total game changer for faceless YouTube creators. It combines avatar consistency, AI-driven scene editing, lip sync, and cinematic animation into one creative workflow. Try it in Dzine AI or Google AI Studio.
If you want the complete Nano Banana prompt pack and behind-the-scenes project files I used here, join our community. The link's right below. You'll get every prompt, workflow template, and bonus tips to build your own faceless channel with AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.